Hi, welcome to the Dataminer Learning Center. In this video, we'll be covering pages that load more data by using a Load More button rather than a Next button, meaning when you click the Load More, it will load additional data to a single page. That said, let's go ahead and jump right in. We'll open up Dataminer, and we'll do a new recipe. The Load More process is done from the Page tab and using Actions. Actions do require a paid plan, so you will have to sign up before you can use these. But once you sign up for a paid plan, you have access to all the Dataminer features. For the Load More, we'll be using the Click on More Results button at the bottom of the page. We'll select this action, and then the next step is to identify the Load More button. So we'll click the Advanced Finder. We'll hover and hit Shift over the Load More button. And then you'll be looking for a piece of HTML that identifies the button. In this scenario, we'll be using one called Load More. So we'll check that, and then click Confirm. Great, so at this point you would then click OK, and that saves the action. However, looking a little bit deeper into this action, you'll see that there are additional settings you can use to change how many scrolls, the wait time between the scrolls, and then also the speed of the scroll. These settings will just require a little bit of trial and error to see which is the best setup for your site. In addition, if you were to use the Advanced Finder and you did not find this Load More HTML or the class, you can do an advanced selector. I'll show you that now. So you'll find the element of the button. In this scenario, it's a button element, so I'll choose that. And then in the input at the bottom, you're going to manually type. So with no space, we'll do a colon, and the word contains, an open parenthesis, and then the text that you see on the page. So in this scenario, it is Load More, and then a closing parenthesis. This will look for a button that contains these words. Now we'll click Confirm. At this point, your button is now selected. So we'll click OK, and then you can begin to continue with the rest of your recipe. If you have any questions, please email us at support@dataminer.io. Thanks for watching.